What's up? Welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed the last one. Give a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. So I'm going to be spraying the engine with Pour 15, the same stuff I used on the frame. I'm also going to be doing the engine covers, as well as the license plate holder and the bracket. I'm going to do my turn signals, the headlamp housing, and my seat. That way it all matches. I just wanted to point out that I prepped this the same way as the frame, 80 grit where I could with a DA, and then I used a Scotch Brite on whatever I couldn't reach with the sandpaper. Pour 15 covers all of that. You don't ever have to worry about like sand scratches coming through because of how thick the stuff is. And technically it's a one-part product, so there's no hardener or anything in it. I also wanted to point out, make sure you're wearing a respirator whenever you're spraying Pour 15. When you're brushing it on, it's not as a necessity, but when you're spraying this stuff, you have to have some sort of a respirator.
Perfect.